Happy birthday, Daddy Rainer!
Happy birthday, Tol. Ingat ka dyan. I love you. Thank you sa lahat. Miss you. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Hi Kuya, happy birthday! Sana palagi ka masaya pag birthday mo. Kahit hindi birthday, dapat masaya. Sa mga wishes ko sa iyo ay nasa messenger na. Kaya basahin mo na lang doon para malaman mo kung ano yun. I love you!
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Happy birthday pa, Jake.
Sana maging masaya ang birthday mo. Tsaka lagi kang mag-iingat dyan, ha? Kayo ng mga Gigi, ng mga apo mo, ni Regine, ni Chicks, ni Criselda. Happy birthday uli, ha? Uwi-uwi pag may time, Kuya.
Happy birthday, Papa Jake! We love you!
Kuya, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Ay tayo almusal. Wala. Almusal namin corned beef. Tsaka itlog na wala rin naman. Yan. Happy 65 na ata. 65 na, Kuya.
Happy birthday.
Sana maging malusog ka palagi. Walang masakit sa katawan. Mag-iingat kayo na.
Happy birthday, Tito Rainer. Wishing you a good health and ingat po kayo dyan palagi. We love you.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Tito Rainer. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, so happy birthday.
Hi, Uncle Rainier. Happy birthday po. I'm wishing you a fantastic day filled with laughter, joy, and all your favorite things. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi and God bless you. I miss you. Bye. Love you. Happy birthday po.
Hello Kuya Rainer, happy birthday. Wish ko lang good health, more love and more happiness. At magmuling pasaway. Love you.